Hey guys, I'm Tim with Original Strength, and this week I want to talk to you about segmentally rolling. Really what I want to do is show you how to smooth out your segmental roll and make it become as fluid as possible. And the reason you want to do that is because if you can roll segmentally fluidly like a ocean wave, then you can just move with fluidity and grace. The easier and the better you segmentally roll, the more tied together your body is, and the easier it is for you to move in life in general. Everything else you'd want to do just gets easier. So today we're going to try to roll, and we've done segmentally rolling before, but I've been trying to think of ways to make it more attainable to get that fluidity and grace out of it. So all we're going to do today is we're going to try to connect our opposite shoulder to our opposite hip, or we're going to try to connect our opposite hip to our opposite shoulder. So I'll show you what it looks like. I'll face this way, since you can hear me now, right? So we're going to take this shoulder towards the opposite hip. And the secret to this is in the head and the angle and that we're reaching. So I'm going to pick my head up and I'm going to take this shoulder towards this opposite hip and just relax my lower body as I try to roll over. And then I can extend out. Now I'm going to take this shoulder back towards the opposite hip again. So I'm reaching back with my head and my shoulder towards my opposite hip. And I'm just letting that reach pull me over. So I'll stop talking and just show you. And again, the secret to this is in the head, using your head and taking that shoulder towards the opposite hip. And if you want to bend your elbow, it's almost as if you're trying to drive your forearm down towards the ground. And you just keep your lower body completely loosey-goosey. That's if you're using your upper body to roll. So on the other side, I'm going to take this shoulder towards my opposite hip and take my elbow towards the floor. And then I'm coming back, so I'm going to pick my head up and I'm going to take this shoulder towards my opposite hip, place my forearm on the floor, and roll over. So from the side, because what you want to do is just stay relaxed here. So you pick your head up, take your shoulder towards your opposite hip, put your forearm on the floor, and then just kind of melt over. All right, so opposite again. Now, if we want to do lower body, it's the exact same rule. We want to take this hip towards this shoulder. So I'm going to pick this leg up, I'm going to bend my knee, and I'm going to reach this hip towards this shoulder and let it pull me over. And then I'm just going to extend with my toes like I'm pushing my foot away from me. And now I'm going to take this hip towards this shoulder and reach for it. I'm still relaxing the upper body. I'm reaching, and then I just lengthen that leg. So it's hip towards opposite shoulder, lengthen. So just to give you an idea what this looks like without me talking, I'm going to go upper body first and then lower body. So the idea is to stay relaxed, bring the opposite shoulder to the opposite hip, and allow your body to move piece by piece by piece, like an ocean wave that a surfer would surf. So it just rolls, it rolls, it rolls, it rolls, it rolls. So everything is fluid, but it moves one segment at a time. And again, the benefits to doing that are if you can do that, your nervous system is healthy, you are going to move well, and things in life, how you move, even how you think, that stuff just gets easier. because an optimal running nervous system makes an optimal running you, all right? And rolling is it's a fantastic way to sharpen and strengthen your nervous system, okay? So that's our tip for this week. Play with your segmental roll and become fluid. I'm Tim with Original Strength, and we'll see you next time.